Hello! Today we're unboxing the iPhone 13 in Starlight color. I've been waiting for this moment, and since I saved up for it, it feels so much more exciting. Okay, let's open it together now. I also bought some accessories, so let's open them up too. I bought 3 cases. One is this color, and 2 of them are clear. One is with MagSafe compatibility, and the second with card holder. They definitely look so elegant. They have sent this cable protector as a gift, so I'm applying that too. Would you choose Starlight or another color? Also, which model is the best for your opinion? Let me know in the comments please, and see you in the next video. Bye!